This video will instruct you how to make the Elizabeth flower styled as a peony. So you're going to cut a piece of tissue, kleenex tissue paper, and roll it in a ball. And then also a piece of tin foil. And that just helps it keep its shape. You can use, if you have like little foam balls, that's fine. But no need to go purchase something separately when you can just use the supplies that we have in our households. Okay, so you're just going to shape it into a ball. I just randomly cut a piece this size. You need a 1 1/4 inch circle, so that is included in the instruction document of what you need. You're going to cut a small slice in the circle. Not real far. You're going to press it into the center. This is a quilling molding tool. And then you can use your metal ball stylus tools and just roll it around in the circle to get the shape. So you just molded it basically to a circular shape. Then we're going to add a touch of glue right here to the side, just so we can overlap it. Then add glue to the bottom of the circle. Watch your fingers. Place your tinfoil ball in the center. And shape it around. Okay, now we're going to style all the petals exactly the same. So I like to start from the largest petals. You can, besides the quilling molding tool, you can use measuring spoons, which would work the same. So these are from Dollar Tree, and you would do the same exact thing. Press the petal in like I'm going to show you. So that's another option for you. And then the resin molds. This was from Hobby Lobby. So they're exactly the same. They're just circular and they're half pendants. So whichever works best for you. So you go by the size of the petal, so it needs to fit into the circular mold. You go right up to the edge. Press down with your fingers to get the paper in there. Then take your metal ball stylus and stir. So it becomes the shape of the circle. So again, you put it up to the edge where the petal meets the center. Press down. And then use your metal ball stylus to stir and keep it shaped. So I like to first press it down so it takes the shape of the circle and then stir. It is a workout for your arm. We're doing this to every single petal, so it gives that curved shape so it cups the flower. And then as the petals get smaller, you're going to move down in size. So then what you can do is just press down in the center. And then we will be rolling it on our foam mat. So now I'm gonna, as I finish them, insert them into the middle, just it makes it easier to keep them all in one place. So this is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna go down in one size. Press down with your finger. And stir. So I'll just continue doing the same thing for all the petals. Now that we styled everything with our quilling mold, you can set that aside. And now we have our ball and we're going to start assembling. So with peonies, you start to assemble from the inside out to make them bloom. Okay? So we're going to start here and work our way out. So we're going to add some glue and then glue it to the center here. Oh, I did that wrong. I apologize. Oh, goodness. Add glue all over this petal because we want it to adhere all the way up into the petals. I'm not going to put it in the center because I have it on my tinfoil ball. And then I just pull them up one by one, going around the ball. Something doesn't adhere because it dries so fast. Just add a little bit more glue. Okay, so now we're going to just pull out our next one. I like to roll it a little, pull it towards the center. And now we're going to add some glue. Just be careful with your fingers. I just go up the petal just a little bit. Almost like a star. Look for a petal and place it in between. And pull each petal up to make sure it adheres. Then we go to our next one. Pull the petals towards the center and you can roll it a little. I'm still adding it here on the bottom. Just a little bit up the petals. Look for a petal and place it in between in the center. Then I just fold them up and around and they naturally go up. Just press at the bottom where we glued to make sure it adheres. Now we're going to our next one. Pull it towards the center. You can roll it a little. And then we're going to add some glue. And you can, if you saw in the time lapse, I did rip my one petal, but that's okay. Just glue it back on. Look for a petal and place it in between in the center. So here's my petal and it's in between those. And it naturally wraps up around. So I'm just going to press at the bottom where we were gluing. Now what we can start to do is just add it to the bottom here. So we're going to pull them towards us, towards the center, roll, add glue, almost like a star. So look for a petal and place it in between. Go to your next one. Pull the petals towards the center. Make sure they go one in front of the other. And we're going to do the same thing, add our glue. So just do a circle and then kind of do a star. Look for a petal and place it in between. Flip it over, add your glue. Look for your petal. And place it in between right in the center. Make sure it adheres on the bottom. So add your glue. Look for a petal and place it in between the previous layers petals. And you can just cup it up a little, press down, make sure it adheres. And there you have the Elizabeth styled like a peony. How pretty they are. So you could do any, I do them in 2 color, but you can do it in, if you wanted the center and even different color, then you can do it 3 colors. It's up to you, but have fun creating them.